Welcome to Get Your FRQ On. This is the first video in the Conquer the AP Calculus AB exam series, a series of videos designed to help AP Calculus students prepare for and ultimately conquer the AP Calculus exam. This video focuses on what students can do to prepare themselves for the AP Calculus exam other than just learning the calculus. Let's get started. The AP Calculus AB exam is a challenge, no doubt, but it's also an opportunity to demonstrate your hard work and understanding of a beautiful and powerful subject. This guide is designed to help you make the most of your study time, focus on what's important, and approach the exam with confidence. Remember, consistent effort and smart strategies will set you up for success. The AP Calculus AB exam is 3 hours and 15 minutes long and has 2 sections. Section 1 is the multiple choice section. This has 2 parts. Part A is 30 questions. You get 60 minutes and no calculator is permitted. Part B, there are 15 questions. You get 45 minutes and a calculator is permitted. Section 2 is the free response section. The first section has 2 questions. You get 30 minutes and a calculator is allowed. And the second section, 4 questions, you get 60 minutes, and no calculator is allowed. The content of the exam covers the following key topics: limits and continuity, understanding limits, continuity, and the related theorems; differentiation, using the definition and basic rules, finding derivatives of various functions, including power rule, product rule, quotient rule, and chain rule; differentiation with composite, implicit, or inverse functions. These are more advanced differentiation techniques. Contextual applications of differentiation, applying derivatives to solve real-world problems such as related rates, optimization, and motion. Analytical applications of differentiation, using derivatives to analyze function behavior, including increasing and decreasing intervals, concavity, and extrema. Integration, using the fundamental theorem of calculus, understanding the relationship between differentiation and integration. And integration techniques and applications, that is, evaluating definite and indefinite integrals and applying them to find areas, volumes, and other quantities. The entire exam is worth 108 points, and multiple choice and free response sections are weighted equally at 54 points each. A graphing calculator is allowed for Section 1, Part B, and Section 2, Part A. Know your calculator well. Don't cram. Start early and plan regular study sessions. Break down the topics into manageable chunks. A consistent schedule, even for short periods, is more effective than sporadic long sessions. Go back to your notes, textbook, and any review materials. Focus on the fundamental theorems, definitions, and formulas. Make sure you understand the why behind the concepts, not just the how. For limits, understand the definition of the limit laws, limits at infinity, L'Hopital's rule. For derivatives, understand the definition of the derivative, different differentiation rules, the power rule, the product rule, the quotient rule, the chain rule. Derivatives of trigonometric and exponential and logarithmic functions. Understand how to do implicit differentiation. For applications of derivatives, related rates and optimization, the mean value theorem, curve sketching, motion. For integrals, definite and indefinite integrals, know the fundamental theorem of calculus, different integration techniques like use substitution, and understand how to use integrals to find areas and volumes. The best way to learn calculus is by doing problems. For multiple choice questions, practice with a variety of multiple choice questions to improve your speed and accuracy. Analyze why you get questions wrong. For free response questions, practice writing complete solutions to free response questions. Pay attention to showing your work clearly and justifying your answers. Use past AP exam questions from the College Board website. This is crucial. Your textbook, if you have one, is a valuable resource for review and practice problems. Review class notes for explanations and examples specific to your teacher's style. Consider using a review book for a concise summary of the material and additional practice questions. Websites like Khan Academy, AP Classroom, and others offer helpful videos, practice questions, and explanations. And don't hesitate to ask your teacher for help. They are your best resource for clarification and guidance. And consider collaborating with classmates. This can help you understand concepts better and identify areas where you need more help. Know how to use your calculator efficiently to graph functions, find zeros and intersections, calculate numerical derivatives, evaluate definite integrals. Practice using your calculator on problems similar to those you'll see on the exam. Calculus builds on itself. A strong understanding of the fundamental concepts is essential for success. Don't just memorize formulas. Understand how they are derived and when to apply them. Pinpoint the topics you struggle with and dedicate extra time to them. There's no point reviewing the things you already know how to do. Spend your time working on the things you don't know how to do well. Don't neglect the areas where you feel comfortable, but prioritize your efforts where you need the most improvement. As the exam approaches, take practice tests under timed conditions to get a feel for the pace and pressure of the actual exam. This will help you build stamina and manage your time effectively.